Hey everybody, we're back at it out in the garage. Finally getting another video done. Today we're getting ready. We're going to go on a ride Saturday, first ride of the year, and I need to replace my battery. My battery is toast. I'll show you when I get it out, but I need to get a new battery in there, and what I am replacing it with is the UTV Stereo big battery kit. So we're going to put that in and see how it does. And yes, right now I have, you can't see it in there, but I'll get that seat out and you can see it. I've got a lithium battery in there, but I ruined it. It was my fault. I got almost 3 years out of it though, so I can't complain. But we're going to put this thing in there and see how she does. But let's see. I did open this once, but I haven't pulled anything out. So let's see what we have in here. Mount. Nice. Probably more of the mount. I'm guessing there's instructions in there. Mounting kit. And then the battery should be in this box here. Yep. There she is. We'll get her out of the box. I'm gonna pull this seat out right here. Come around here. I'll get this seat pulled out. 13 millimeter down there at the base and 17 or 18 back behind there. But I'll get those out real quick. No need to film that. That's quick and everybody's seen that happen a million times. So we'll get that out and then I'll show you the battery that I got in there. Out of the box. Come with a card and a sticker, some nuts and bolts, the mounting. That's the battery. And then instructions. Shows you what it came with. Then if you turn it around, looks fairly simple. 6 steps on how to install this thing. So we'll get to that, but first I got to get this out. So this is an anti-gravity battery, lithium. And it has the button on the top that you can push to reset it because it'll only go so low and then it shuts itself off. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get this out. So there's that. See the button up here. But I think I shorted it out because we were in the middle of doing updates on my ECU and the battery died, shut itself off, and it wouldn't stay on. So I hooked just a regular battery jumper to it and had it sitting there sending juice to it for about 20 minutes while we finished the update on my ECU or ECM, whatever it's called. And ever since then, the battery shut itself off and the button would not reactivate it. So I'm sure the battery's still good, but the switch is not working. So I'll get this out. I think I have some 10 millimeter bolts down here to get out, and then I'll undo all the wires off of it and pull the battery out. Then we'll see what we got to do to mount the new one. All right, we got the battery out right there. Look at the size difference here. That's pretty crazy, huh? Got it in. It just latches back here like the stock one did. Then down here it screws to the little triangle plate that you put in there to hold the battery down. Got my terminals hooked up. Moment of truth. Let's see if this thing works. I need to clean this machine. Got my key out. Oh yeah. Listen to that GGB exhaust back there purring. Nice cold start. Turn this back off. Pull the key out. Did it. That was pretty simple. Wasn't hard at all. I'll get that seat put back in, but I'm going to go grab some, excuse me, I'm going to go grab some dinner first. Then I'll come throw the seat in. I got a couple other things. I got some stickers made that I think I'm going to try and take these off and put a sticker right there that I got made that has my logo on it. So we'll try that out and I'll let you know. But easy, UTV Stereo battery. Big battery kit. I'll let you know how it works and what happens with it. Well, we're all done. Got the battery in. Got my stickers on. Took the Can-Am sticker off and got my logo on there. They're just Amazon specials, so we'll see how they last. But big picture is to get a wrap, roll cage and wrap and get it done up right. But for now, I think that'll work. Now we need to go out and ride this thing. Make sure it still runs good. Battery was pretty easy. Yeah, I think about anybody can do that. Not too hard at all. We'll see how it lasts. We'll put it through the paces and see how it lasts, see how it goes. Like I said, I really like the lithium battery. The anti-gravity. This is it right here. It was a good battery. I fried it. I fried whatever controls the restart button on it. So, my bad. I got 3 years out of it, so went with the AGM UTV Stereo big battery kit. We'll see what it does, how it lasts. Anyways, that'll be all for tonight. It's good to be back working on this thing. Gonna be good to get out riding it. I'm kind of excited to get out and do that stuff. So it's been too long since I've been in the seat of this thing. Hopefully you enjoy this content. If you do, give me a like, subscribe. Almost 90% of the viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So if you'd like to see this content, please subscribe. See if we can keep going. But until next time, next video should be out riding. We're going to go hit the Logandale trails in Nevada, out by the Valley of Fire. So until then, get out and make memories of your own. Get out, have some fun, have some family time. Peace.